Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck, and I'm in an RV. Ninja's at my feet. It is bedtime, and I didn't film anything today because it was pretty much a boring day. Went outside a little bit, watched Ninja run around. I did consolidate some of my files, going through my old little portable filing cabinet and going, what are these things even here for? So those are papers for a future fire, and also consolidating a couple of items into like a backpack and putting it in a corner and doing some vacuuming and places that haven't been vacuumed in a while. And then placed an order for pickup with Walmart to get in Flagstaff tomorrow. That's my big day, is getting to bed now, fairly early around midnight. Luckily, Ninja comes in around 11:30, 12 midnight these days because of the cooler temperatures. It has been sprinkling for a few minutes here. Supposed to be nothing major. And tomorrow's the big day. The video tomorrow will be the big video because they got to bring Ninja to the vet and then, of course, pick up Walmart groceries, which is no big deal. But I have to get Ninja up at like 7:30 a.m., which is way early. The both of us sleep until about 10 or 11 if we can. But I've got to get her up about 7:30 a.m. I gave her minimal food tonight. And tomorrow morning, I have to get her to eat a little bit of food with the sedative that the vet gave me last time I was there, hopefully to calm Ninja down by our midday afternoon appointment with the vet so she could get her wellness exam as well as her feline leukemia shot she needs. So tomorrow's the big day. You're going to have to wish me luck and watch for the next video. So I'm going off to bed. Really a casual, beautiful day in the forest. And from Ninja and I, we bid you adieu. Be positive, be nice, be active.